Hello there and welcome to another workday in Grenada. About 2 months ago I posted a video about me taking apart the center console, the Teak table, and saying something rather about how I'm very good at taking things apart but not particularly good at putting them back together again. So let's fast forward 2 months and 3 days before a charter is set to launch, and I have finally got back to putting this project back together again. So it's a Teak table. Here it is in bits and pieces, and underneath my feet is where the rest of that table is. I need to attach all these bits onto that bit. One of the reasons why I love working with wood is because it's so absolutely rewarding. Whatever you're doing with it, it's completely responsive. So even though I did take 2 months and 3 days to do this project, I really quite enjoyed it. So took it all apart, sanded it, a couple different kinds of sandpaper, and now I've got it to this pretty blonde color. And the idea here was to make sure that this piece and this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece are all the same tone. So we've got it to this pretty blonde right now, and when I put the teak oil on, it's going to turn into this rich, luxurious dark wood that I absolutely adore. So this is step 2, or actually it's step 1 of putting it back together again, and yeah, it's been a lot of fun. So stay tuned, and we'll get to the final results shortly. Mwah! Stay salty, my friends. Ciao.